Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Spotify Premium with FamPay. So first of all, of course, make sure that you're logged in with your account. I already am, as you can see. Then, guys, press on Explore Premium and you will be taken to this page right over here where you can either resume. For example, I've already had Premium purchased in the past, so I can press on Resume. If you did not buy the Premium yet and you're doing it for the first time, for example, you're going to have Get Premium Get Premium Individual, sorry. So I'm just going to press Resume Premium. And guys, as you can see in here, we just need to choose a payment method. In our case, it's going to be a credit card. So you just need to check your FamPay details. You're going to have, of course, your FamPay card. And you just insert your FamPay details, which is the card number, expiry date and security code in here, and just press on Complete Purchase. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. Just make sure to grab your details and you will be having your Spotify Premium with no time. Guys, hopefully this helps you out and enjoy the tutorial. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.